Hi, my name is Abby and I will be showing you around today what campus looks like during COVID times. Follow me. There are a couple places on campus where there are free masks for you to use if you don't have any, and we have gloves and sanitizers. Please feel free to use any of these items that are available to students. The cafeteria has been modified to comply with COVID guidelines. One of the first things you need to do is complete your symptom tracker that shows green, which means negative, before you can enter the cafe. There are a few dining options for you. One is takeout. You can grab food in a to-go box and bring it over to your room to eat. The other one, eating inside. And the third will be taking your food and eating in the terrace room, which is also 6 feet apart. All spaces have been cleaned and everything. There are a few different dining options when you come in here. The first one is you can eat in the cafeteria. We are limiting people to sit in only 4 chairs at a time, so please be cautious of that. When you come, if you choose to stay and eat in the cafeteria, there are these signs that you will see. This is means sanitized. The table will be sanitized for you. You can use it. When you're done, we ask that you turn it over. It says not sanitized, so the cleaning crew can come in and take care of that. As you can see, our classrooms are also COVID conscious. There is 6 feet between each chairs, and we recommend that you wipe down the surfaces before you sit and after you use the desks. As you can see, the library has also been modified for COVID guidelines. There's 6 feet between each tables, and we only allow 2 people to sit at one table. There is these cards that you can see. This says clean. That means the table has been sanitized. After you're done using it, we ask you to turn it over to dirty so that student workers can come and clean this area. Masks are required during all times in the library as well. In our lounge spaces during COVID, we ask that you wear a mask at all times and wipe frequently touched surfaces.